Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2016 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, rain-sensing wipers, speed control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
A GM-certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM-certified used vehicle. GM-certified means no worries. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.